How's it going? I'm Paul. That's Pat. Pat's the wrench. I'm the novice. This is what we're going to do today. We are going to take these Screaming Eagle high flow tailpipes. It also has the high flow Screaming Eagle headers on it. Right there. We're going to remove the small baffle in the back, which is right in here. You can see it. Yeah, there we go. And Pat took off the end cap, and this is what we got, and we're going to remove that right there. And see what we got and see what it sounds like. So here's a before shot. This is what came out. This is what's in there. Pat, can you stick that light in there?
Yep.
That's what we're seeing.
There's your converter.
Up in there. You see it in there?
I see it right there.
Is that that orange stuff?
No, that's your catalytic converter right there.
It's. Oh yeah, I'll be damned. Yeah, that should sound a lot better.
I would think it's got to change it a lot.
So we took those 3 rivets, drilled them out. And that's what opens up. Did it on both sides. We'll do some black paint in there. And we'll fire it up and we'll give you another sound bite. Now remember, these are the Screaming Eagle street cannons and the Screaming Eagle high flow headers. A new photographer, Teresa. Okay, we're all done. Here's what we got. We put the end caps back on. And we're gonna fire it up for you. Teresa's gonna.
I'm gonna hold this.
You're gonna hold this.
Okay.
And we'll give everyone a sound bite. I'm gonna post
Sound
it.
bites.
Okay.
Ready? So much better.
Awesome. Yes, thank you.
You are
Thank you.